Far from the crowds and deep in the wilderness, lies one of Norway's wildest treasures. This is Femundsmarka, a land of ancient pine forests, crystal-clear lakes, and creatures most people never see. Join us as we track moose, explore beaver-built wetlands, and listen for the haunting call of rare forest owls. This isn't just a national park, it's a living fairy tale. Grab your boots or your paddle, we're heading into the wild. There are still places, hidden away from the hustle and bustle of modern life, where nature's voice is the loudest sound you can hear, a symphony of wind, water, and wildlife, composing a melody that soothes the soul. Femundsmarka National Park, deep in Norway, a realm of untouched beauty, is one such sanctuary, untamed, ancient, a place where time seems to stand still, and the spirit of the wild roams free. It's a landscape shaped by the slow power of ice and wind, a testament to the enduring forces of nature that have sculpted this land over millennia. Here, old pines stand as silent sentinels, their towering presence a reminder of the forest's age and resilience, their roots gripping rocky ground, a tenacious hold on life in this rugged terrain, the air crisp and scented with pine and earth, a fragrance that invigorates the senses and connects you to the natural world. This is a living wilderness, a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, a rare expanse of continuous forest, lakes, and boulder fields, a mosaic of habitats that support a rich diversity of species. Unchanged for centuries, a legacy of natural processes unfolding over vast stretches of time, Femundsmarka invites you to slow down, to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with the rhythms of nature, to listen to the quiet stories whispered by wind and water, tales of resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. It's a refuge for wildlife, a sanctuary where animals can roam freely and live according to their natural instincts, and for the human soul. A place to find solace, inspiration, and a deeper understanding of our place in the world. It's a place to reconnect with the Earth's fundamental rhythms, to observe the changing seasons and witness the cycles of life and death that shape this ancient landscape. The journey here is a step into natural grace, an opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of the wilderness, where every rock and tree is part of an ancient tapestry of life, a reminder of the intricate web of connections that sustain this remarkable ecosystem, forming a vast, seamless wilderness that ignores human boundaries. Here, ancient pines and roaming moose are citizens of the forest, a kingdom older than any nation. The park's remoteness and rugged terrain have spared it from modern development. Old-growth forests, wild lakes, and boulder fields remain untouched, a living museum of natural history. Across land unchanged for generations, natural barriers have protected this wild soul. The park's connection to Sweden amplifies the sense of endless forest, a humbling, moving experience. Femundsmarka is a sanctuary steadfastly wild through the ages. The vast pine forests of Femundsmarka, stretching as far as the eye can see, are the undisputed realm of the moose. These ancient woodlands with their towering trees and hushed undergrowth provide the perfect sanctuary for these magnificent creatures. It's a place where the air is crisp and clean, and the silence is broken only by the rustling of leaves and the occasional call of a bird. The moose reign supreme, the silent giants of the north, masters of their domain. They are a symbol of the forest, a subtle but undeniable force that shapes the landscape and influences the lives of all who dwell within it. These majestic animals, despite their immense size, move with surprising grace and agility through the dense undergrowth. They navigate the tangled web of trees and shrubs with an ease that belies their bulk, their movements fluid and effortless. It's a testament to their deep connection with this land, their intimate knowledge of its every nook and cranny. Tell the story of their quiet lives, their daily routines, their constant search for food and shelter. These subtle signs are a testament to their presence, a reminder that they are always there, even when you can't see them. To walk here among these ancient trees and alongside these magnificent animals is to be a guest in their world, a visitor in their home. It's a privilege to witness their lives, to share their space, to experience the wildness of Femundsmarka. Food and shelter. The abundance of vegetation allows them to thrive, to grow strong and healthy, to continue their reign as the giants of the north. This is especially true near the many lakes and wetlands that dot the landscape, providing them with a source of water and a variety of aquatic plants to feed on. These areas are vital to their survival, providing them with the resources they need to thrive in this challenging environment. a reminder to protect their habitat. In Femundsmarka, the landscape is shaped by both ancient ice and the tireless work of beavers. Their dams and lodges transform streams into rich wetlands, creating oases teeming with life. Beavers build intricate structures, slowing water to form deep ponds that protect and sustain them. These wetlands attract ducks, dragonflies, moose, and countless other species, making beavers true ecosystem engineers. Walking the pond edges, you'll see canals and chewed stumps, signs of constant beaver activity. At dusk or dawn, you might glimpse a beaver gliding silently across the water, tail slapping in warning. Their work sustains a vibrant hub of life, far beyond their own needs. Beavers are a keystone species, their impact echoing through the wild. To witness their world is to see nature's resilience and ingenuity in action. Femundsmarka's ancient forests shelter a remarkable array of elusive birds. Great gray owls glide silently through the pines, hunting with ghostly precision. Northern hawk owls perch boldly atop dead trees, scanning for prey. Proof of the park's health and wildness. Capercaillie perform dramatic spring displays while Siberian jays add a touch of curiosity, sometimes approaching hikers. The forest's birdlife is best discovered by ear, the trilling of woodpeckers, the flute-like song of thrushes. Each sound is a thread in the wilderness's acoustic tapestry. Even when the forest seems silent, it teems with secret life. Femundsmarka's birds are living proof of a thriving ancient ecosystem. Canoeing here transcends mere recreation. It's an immersion into pure tranquility. The gentle glide of your canoe becomes a meditation, a dance with nature itself. It's the soft dip of a paddle breaking the water's surface, the mesmerizing dance of light on the mirror-like water, creating ripples that spread outwards, carrying your worries away. It's the profound silence, broken only by the occasional bird call or the gentle lapping of water against the hull of your canoe. A silence that speaks volumes. Norway's unique right to roam, known as allemannsretten, grants you the freedom to camp almost anywhere, a gift to the adventurous soul. Seek out a secluded bay, a hidden gem along the shoreline, and pitch your tent under the watchful gaze of ancient pines. Make it your home for the night. Then, settle in and watch the sunset paint the sky with vibrant hues of orange, pink, and gold, transforming the landscape into a breathtaking masterpiece. The lakes teem with life, offering a bounty of trout, char, and grayling, swimming freely in their crystal-clear domain. This abundance offers the tantalizing promise of a fresh, delicious meal, caught with your own hands and prepared with care. Imagine the simple pleasure of cooking your freshly caught fish over a crackling campfire, the aroma mingling with the scent of pine and damp earth. As dusk settles, loons call across the water, their haunting cries echoing through the stillness. These evocative calls amplify the profound sense of wild solitude, reminding you of your place within this vast and untamed landscape. By canoe, you gain access to the park's remotest corners, places untouched by time and human interference. You'll glide silently past beaver lodges, marveling at the ingenuity of these industrious creatures and their impact on the landscape. This slow, immersive style of travel attunes you to the subtle rhythms of the wilderness, allowing you to connect with nature on a deeper level. Paddling through these pristine waters and camping under the vast expanse of the star-studded sky is the very essence of true adventure, a chance to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Femundsmarka's waters. Walking Femundsmarka's trails is to step into history. Trappers and fishermen, subtle signs, old cabins, stone markers connect you to generations past. Wind in the pines, a raven's call, the crunch of lichen underfoot. The trails are challenging, winding over boulders and through wetlands, rewarding you with sweeping views. Each step deepens your connection to the land, far from modern distractions. Time moves differently here, measured by sun and sky, not by clocks. Walking alone, you find space for reflection and presence, of the enduring beauty and peace of the wild. Femundsmarka invites all who seek renewal in nature's embrace. Explore on foot or by paddle. Each journey offers its own rewards. Walking brings self-reliance and introspection. Paddling offers freedom and solitude on glassy lakes. Here you breathe clean air, drink from clear streams, and watch stars blaze in a dark sky. The peace of a campfire, the call of a loon, the absence of human noise, these are gifts of the wild. Femundsmarka is a sanctuary for the soul, a reminder of our deep connection to nature. Its enduring beauty lies in its wild, untamed spirit, a precious remnant of the northern wilderness. To visit is to find stillness, and to carry a piece of its wild peace with you long after you leave.